this is the part two of that. This one, the part of the asked me last night how to make that. Get a container water. You need water. I'm just saying, and some few shampoos. I'm just wondering around. So I'll get it in this case. Just wait, guys. And I forgot that we also need tissue. By the way, do like this stuff here. So, oh my god, oh my god. Yo, it's beside you if you want to add a lot. Okay, I'm just adding a bit because I already have a lot. And I forgot also a case to put in. You had to do it like this. You had to brush. Okay, time to get some what again? Oh yeah, yeah. Some this Pantene or any shampoo that you would love. Add it. Okay. Let's put this back. So what? Okay, now let's go. And make sure you have a mixing tool. Chips. Yeah. Okay, let's mix it. Okay, now take the bowl of the turkey butter. Get to your squish package. I'll also use this. And make sure to put it in. I already put it in. Okay, close. Bye, guys. That's all for today.